Welcome guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in Montego Bay. Yeah, I'm in Montego Bay. So I'm gonna give you a tour over into the airport area. You know, at times a lot of things change every day. So I'm show you how I go on, how the place set up. So keep on watching. It's a bit overcast today. We're having some nice weather in Montego Bay City. I want to say thank you all for watching the channel. Your true tour guide. Yeah man, True Jamaican Vibes, you know. So you know, so we're coming around about here, we're gonna keep left. If you're coming from the Hotel Gloriana side. Yeah man, so thank you all for stopping by on the channel. See the departure sign, the cargo terminal. Yeah man, if you go to the departure, you're gonna keep left. And you see the sign arrival, parking, departure and cargo terminal. So I'm going to the departure area, so I'm going to keep left. So it's a one way, right? One way, no stopping. So all the people that may come at airport and want to stop at them place here, you know, I get ticket. So please don't stop in this area, and the speed limit is 20 kilometers, right? So be careful. Yeah man, we like the upgrade we are going to the place. You know, a lot of people long to come Jamaica to see what I go on. And I take the time out for showing what I go on in Montego Bay. You know, this is where, if you're coming from other places, this is where you gotta come at the airport or leaving from the airport. As you can see, a little bit of traffic in the area. You know, say at airport, that's an airport setup. Traffic now and then. So you have to give and take some of my time, you know. Yes, with people, if you like the video, remember to subscribe and give it a big like. Free of cost. So we're at Sangster's International Airport. If you make the right turn, as you said, it said bus only. So you will see some security guards out there. They're gonna show you where you can park if you're letting out somebody at the departure area. Yeah man, don't think Jamaica nice people. What do I say? Tell me what I go on. What you think about Jamaica? Our beautiful island. You come to Jamaica and you want to curry goat, ackee and saltfish, banana. So we do it, you know. lot of people traveling today, leaving our beautiful island Jamaica. Big up on yourself, anyone who come from visit Jamaica. You love the place. Big up on yourself. So I'm gonna make the left turn, which is still a one way. You cannot make a right turn. So you see airport exit, right? So this is the arrival area. If you're coming to the arrival area, this is what it look like. It's not a busy morning. It's about 7 minutes after 10. Not a busy morning. So back in the days, you can come out here so you can wait for your pickup transportation. They have a little extended area. So you can come out and relax, sit down, and wait for your transportation to come and get you. Wow, them patrol there, big patrol there, man, people. You know, work is taking place. So, you know, so them are cut the road and a lot of things. So, that is it. When you're not driving, you have to look out on the eyes, them, you know. Yeah, a lot of people speeding and stuff. You have to look out on the eyes. Wow. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. Yeah man, like I get some rain today. The place kind of overcast. We're gonna get some rain today. So I'm just passing the DHL office, which is on your left. So if you want to pick up your package at the DHL, now it's about 5 minutes drive away from the airport. On your right, that is where you have the Hotel Gloriana. You need to book your stay at Hotel Gloriana because it's one time they did a movie on that hotel, so you need to check out the movie there. I think it named Hotel Gloriana. So thank you all for watching the channel. To True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Big up on yourself, and I want to watch from here and abroad. Big up on yourself. One love and one army people. Peace and out.